Good morning, guys. I just wanted to come and show you what we found in the gazebo tent this morning. Bean Bean. A little red bird. He's trying to get out.
He went over there.
Corey, come out.
Wow.
Corey trying to catch the darn bird. He can't get out on that side.
Daddy.
Let me unzip the tent.
Mia. Yes. You that way.
There you go, me. He's stuck. Is he blind?
I think so.
There you go. Great, he is gone. Yes. All right. Thank you, Mia. Big Daddy is getting ready to grill this morning. So he got his little meat station set up. Yeah. So this is what I have been doing the last couple of days. And all of this came from Big Lots. Yes, good furniture. I got to fix this umbrella. It keeps leaning. Something's uneven underneath it. But just wanted to show you the pretty little red bird this morning. Come on, Corey, put on some clothes. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, sugar. If this thing will cut off, ain't that some hot ghetto mess. Jalen and Mia. Come on, Corey. Did you get your little soul over here? Get over here. Thank you. Stop being hard-headed. Jalen and Mia. Hey.